Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Pam and Tram.
Today we're making an easy appetizer, fried shrimp rolls, also known as shrimp in a blanket. It is simply delicious and it only requires minimal ingredients. So y'all, let's get right to cooking.
To start, peel and devein your shrimp, and then cut slits along the bottom of the shrimp to straighten it out and prevent it from curling when frying. Next, to marinate the shrimp, combine 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and finally, chopped green onions. And give everything a good mix and let it sit for 10 minutes to marinate. Meanwhile, remove the egg white from 1 egg and set this aside. Now it's time to wrap our shrimp rolls. So lay the paper flat and wet the edges and then fold the right side in and place your shrimp out over the edge of the wrapper and then fold the bottom up to cover the shrimp and then bring the left corner to the right and roll upwards as tight as possible. And then seal with your egg white and set it aside. Repeat this with the rest. Now, set your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry them for 2.5 to 3 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy. Once they're ready, remove them from the fryer and set them on a wire rack to drain off any excess oil. And finally, they're ready to be plated and served with a sweet chili sauce. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.